Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing, you guys. We're going to take a look at a company's products that I've never heard of before until here recently. It is Next Level Car Care, and we're going to take a look at their auto shampoo. Let's do it. So before we get this video started, you guys, if you haven't done so, take a second, go down below the video, hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you do get notified. So a couple weeks ago, you guys, I was at Ducktail Run Car Show up in Gas City, Indiana. It's a 3-day car show. I was there for almost a week. I was there for 5 days. You guys, the first couple of days getting set up, getting everything ready to go, because we have a booth we put up there and we sell detailing products out of. And this gentleman that owns this company right here, he was actually near my booth walking around on his phone, and I heard him say that, you know, I have this ceramic spray wax that I can deliver this day. And so when he got off the phone, I said, I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to listen to your conversation, but I overheard you say you had a ceramic spray wax. And I said, I sell detailing products. I said, what kind of products do you sell? And he says, well, I own my own company, and we sell our own chemicals, and it is Next Level Car Care. He is telling me all about the company, which is cool. They're right here in Indiana, which is great. The products are made in the USA. I love that it says "In God We Trust," and they are eco-friendly, you guys. He's got 3 products that he gave me to test out: the auto shampoo, the ceramic spray wax, and then an interior detailer. We'll take a look at those other 2 products in the future. I want to focus on just one product for this video, you guys, and this is going to be his shampoo to clean the car, you guys. This is a pH neutral shampoo. It's not going to remove any wax, sealants, or coatings or anything like that. This is just strictly a shampoo. You're going to use 1 ounce in a 5-gallon bucket and 2 ounces in your foam cannon. Now, we are going to foam in this video. Typically, when I'm washing my own cars, they're usually not real dirty, so I don't foam. But this video, the journey is pretty dirty. We're gonna be going on vacation here in a couple weeks, you guys. I wanna make sure it's nice and cleaned up and ready to go and looking good for the day I hit the road, so it can just get dirty on the way down, as my daughter says. It's just gonna get dirty, Daddy. But I always wanna make sure it looks good. But we're gonna foam it on there. I'm gonna rinse it off because it is dirty. It's got a lot of stuff on it. And then we'll foam it again, and I'm gonna use that foam as my soap, have my bucket, and use that for lubrication on the surface, you guys. It says can be used with a wash mitt and bucket, foam gun connected to a garden hose, or foam cannon connected to your pressure washer, creating loads of foam and suds. Highly concentrated formula goes a long way, which is obvious if you use 1 ounce in your bucket of 5 gallons of water. I have used this shampoo, you guys. I just used it the other day on a detail that I did, and it worked really well. It's definitely high in lubricity, like he says. It smells good. It's about as thick as molasses. One thing he did say to me, you guys, when he handed me his products, he said, I just want to let you know, my products aren't cheap. And he said, my products aren't cheap because we don't use cheap chemicals. We use the best chemicals we can find to make high quality products, you guys, which I think is pretty cool. All right, so that's enough talking, you guys. Let's dive in this video and let's check out Next Level Car Care's auto shampoo. So I want to show you guys this really quick. So this is a 2-ounce measuring cup that I bought at Walmart. I have several of these because it's 2 ounces, which is great. So we're going to fill this halfway up. I want to show you guys how thick this stuff is. It's like honey. But all we need is 1 ounce. Smells really, really good. That's it, 1 ounce. So it's like Jello, you guys. I'm gonna dump this in the bucket, put 2 ounces in my foam cannon, and then we're gonna get started. All right, so let me show you guys the car real quick. I just got to clean the bugs off the front of it. But let me show you how thick this stuff is. I mean, it's pretty bad. What's going on is it's been outside lots. I've been detailing, and they're harvesting all around. So there's just nasty stuff. It's been raining, so I'm hoping the camera picks that up. Kind of see where the water has been washing down the surface. You see all the dust and stuff right there really well. And this stuff is actually very abrasive. You don't want to just put your wash mitt on this and just go to town on it. Bean dust is some nasty stuff. Very bad for your lungs too, as you can see. One interesting thing I forgot to mention at the beginning is he said this soap won't spot. So that tells me it's most likely got water softeners in it, which is great. That's what we want to hear. 2 ounces of soap in the foam cannon. It is not crazy thick foam, you guys, which is great for me because I don't want it to cling. I want it to run, especially when my paint looks like this. I want it to run. I mean, it's still pretty thick, but it's not thick enough that it won't run. I want it to wash everything down to the bottom of the surface. That's exactly what I want when I foam. Shaving cream looks cool. Don't get me wrong, I like it when it does it, but it's really not what you want. This is mainly what you want. You want kind of a watery foam, but thick enough that it'll cling a little bit. And I'll do it again and show you guys from the other side. And right now, we're just gonna get through this foam and rinse part. So as you notice, it is staying on the surface, which is great, but it's also running down, which is what I want. So you got these puddles of foam, but we got these bubbles running down, which means that's washing the dirt to the bottom of the surface. I mean, it is thick. Depending on how you do it. What kind of foam can you got? I bet if I used my gas pressure washer it'd be even thicker, but I don't like using gas on cars because it's just too much pressure. We're gonna go ahead and rinse it, you guys. I'll rinse just a little bit and then I'll cut the video and we'll go to where I foam it again. We're gonna work our way from the top down. Always point away from the car when you first put the bit in, the tip in. It does rinse really nice. Nice clean rinse, doesn't seem to stick. You know, some soaps, when you go to rinse, sometimes it just feels like it's leaving a film behind. This doesn't do that. That's why when we say clean rinse, that's what we mean. As you see, it's not leaving like any film behind at all, which is great. It's rinsing out of the cracks and crevices good. There's nothing worse than having foam left behind, you guys. So, alright, you guys, the car's rinsed down. Now I'm gonna do a really quick foam, and then we'll start washing it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my wheels because I don't want my wheels to spot because they're already clean. But I'm not gonna actually clean them with the soap. Stuff smells so good. It smells like cologne almost. It's the only way I can really describe it. And that's good enough foam for me for doing what I'm getting ready to do. What I'm gonna do now is just use the rest of this soap that's in the bottle. That's it. And then we're gonna start washing it. One thing you'll notice, ooh, that water's cold. We got tons of foam, all right? Normally you wanna work from the top down, but for this video, I mean, this stuff is slick. I mean, it is so good. For the purpose of the video, it's hard for me to show you guys me washing the top, so. Flip it over, do the rest of the hood. Once again, I'll say it a million times, I'd rather have soap spots than water spots. I'm not in any hurry because if it does dry, water's gonna reactivate, it's pH neutral. And I'm gonna work my way around nice and easy. Save the lower portions for later. Man, I mean, it does a really good job, you guys. I couldn't be happier with this soap. The owner's name is Jim. Really nice guy, you guys. Talked to him quite a bit at the car show. It was his first time ever doing the car show. It's my second year of doing it. We helped him out a little bit because he didn't have any tarps and stuff, but that's what we do. We're here for each other, you guys. We're not in competition against each other, in my opinion. Plenty of people in the detailing world that need products. plenty of customers. Man, I mean, it just glides across the surface. As you see, very slick. I mean, that is very slick. You can't hear my hands, the soap, so that means it's not dry. It's very, very slick soap, you guys, which is exactly what you want. Let me finish washing it down. I'm trying to get you guys off my tripod, but I have soap on my hands. And I can't twist the knob. That's how slick it is. I'm gonna try to hold you guys a little bit because I want to show you. Look at all this soap. The suds are very nice. In the bucket, on the car. It's crazy slick, which is what we all want to see. I've used some pretty bad soaps in the past, you guys, that claim they're be slick and they're not. This one is what it says it is, which is awesome. Sorry, I can't really watch this and watch what I'm doing. I'm trying. And look, the cool thing is it's staying on the surface. So hopefully it's not going to spot. All right, now I'm gonna get it done. All right, you guys, so I am done. This could be the make or break moment for this product because it has dried on the glass. The sun's beating over here. But you notice it's got like a rainbow to it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not here. So we'll see. If it leaves those marks when I'm done, then we know that it will spot. So let's go ahead and rinse it, and then I'm gonna get it dry and we'll take a look at it. See what it looks like. Now, once we rinse the soap off, we have no protection from water spots. This is the downside. So I gotta do it quick. So before I go any further, I'm gonna do this really quick. So I wanna do it on camera for you guys. Let's see if it left any spots. I am kind of worried about it because I don't like soap drying. I don't like anything drying, but I'd rather have soap than regular water dry. Nope. Look at that. No spots at all. He was right. It's not going to spot, which is great. Obviously, you still want to do everything you can to not let that happen, but yeah. And now that's awesome right there. All right, you guys, so I backed it up so I could dry it because I got tired of stepping all the foam. It's actually gone away a little bit now that the sun's hitting it. But it's been a good 45 minutes because I've actually had to take some phone calls for the business, and it's still sudsy. And this is still like this, even after about 40, 45 minutes, which is crazy. The car looks great. Cleaned up really nice. As you can see, we got gloss back finally. It doesn't look all dull. It's a really good soap. Now, I would not recommend letting it dry on the paint like I did, you guys, but I didn't have any issues. Maybe just a little bit like right here. I'm seeing something in the glass. I can probably just wipe that off, but never recommend any product, even if they say it won't spot, to let it dry. Do your best not to ever let anything dry on your paint, but this one's pretty good. We have tons of gloss. I mean, it cleaned it really nice. Very nice. See, look at the reflection shots we got. All the dirt and stuff we had here earlier gone, obviously. All in all, you guys, this is a great soap. And naturally, as soon as I got done, man, little Ford Focus flying. As soon as I got done, 2 combines went down the road, flinging dust everywhere. They're getting ready to harvest, you guys. So worst part is this thing's gonna sit out for a few more days, but it's okay, I can just wipe it down. But look at that, I mean, it looks great. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for the video of Next Level Car Care Auto Shampoo. Results speak for themselves, you guys. It foams great, it smells great. It is very high in lubricity, which is more important than anything else in this whole entire video. It has tons of lubrication, and if you have tons of lubrication, less chances of micro marring or scratching your paint when you're during the wash process, you guys. 1 ounce in your 5-gallon bucket, 2 ounces in your foam can, so you're using about 3 ounces at a time. This is an 8-ounce bottle, yeah, 8-ounce bottle. He also sells 16-ounce bottles also on the website. Like I said, it'll be in the description of the video, you guys. But the car looks awesome. It dried on the driver's side, you guys, the panels, the glass, everything, and I didn't see any issues at all with that. Now, like I said, I don't recommend letting any product ever dry. And if you can ever wash in the shade, that's the best situation. But for me, I don't have that luxury, especially today. I wanted to make a video on the ceramic spray wax, you guys, but I just don't have time because I got a truck in my garage right now that needs my attention more than this car does, but I needed to get this car washed. And the Next Level Car Care Auto Shampoo did a fantastic job, you guys. I love the name Next Level, because when you talk about doing anything in your life, whether it's taking your game, sport, baseball, football, to the next level, taking your detailing to the next level, you're going the next level higher. I love that name on the project, guys. It's eye-catching, great bottling, great logo, everything around, all around, you guys. This is a great soap, and I definitely recommend it, you guys. So I can't wait to try the other two products, you guys. We will do that in a future video, so make sure you're subscribed so you guys see that video. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and for checking it out. If you guys have not done so yet, go down below the video, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.